Ready to transform your space into a sleek, high-tech sanctuary? These high-end smart home furniture pieces blend luxury design with next-level convenience to elevate your everyday living. From hidden features to intelligent functionality, they bring comfort, style, and innovation together effortlessly. All products are linked in the description below. Imagine a bed that entertains you as much as it comforts you. This steel gray TV bed hides a modern 43-inch TV in the footboard, which lifts with a remote at the touch of a button. The slatted metal frame supports your mattress while keeping everything sturdy and safe. Power automatically shuts off when the TV lowers, giving extra peace of mind. Sleek, practical, and perfect for cozy movie nights, it turns your bedroom into a private theater. Meet the sofa that bends to your lifestyle. The Pierre sofa is a modular system with curved, corner, and linear pieces, letting you create the perfect arrangement for your space. Plush, finely stitched upholstery adds comfort while showcasing expert craftsmanship. Its sculptural design brings elegance and presence to any living room. Whether you want a cozy lounge or a stylish centerpiece, this sofa adapts beautifully to your needs. Transform your bedroom into a modern, high-tech retreat. This queen bed frame features RGB LED lights with over 60,000 colors, all controlled by an app or remote for the perfect mood. 2 USB ports in the adjustable headboard keep your devices charged and within reach. 4 large drawers offer hidden storage for linens, clothes, or anything else, keeping your room tidy. Sturdy steel and wooden slats support up to 880 pounds. No box spring needed, combining style, convenience, and durability in one sleek package. Meet the vanity that does it all. This 3-in-1 desk works as a makeup station, nightstand, and even a laptop workspace. The LED mirror has 3 light modes, letting you find the perfect glow for every look. Built-in outlets and a USB port keep your devices charged, while drawers, cabinets, and a hidden chair storage keep everything organized. Compact, stylish, and incredibly versatile, it's perfect for small bedrooms or apartments. Why settle for a regular coffee table when one can do so much more? This lift-top table easily converts into a dining space, perfect for small apartments or quick meals. Hidden compartments and 2-tier shelves keep remotes, magazines, and clutter out of sight. Smooth, sturdy surfaces make it easy to clean and last for years. With casters for easy movement and simple assembly, it's practical, stylish, and ready to adapt to your day. Imagine a side table that does more than hold your drink. This smart table chills beverages, charges your devices wirelessly, and streams music through built-in Bluetooth speakers. Motion-activated LED lights guide you at night, while app-controlled backlights add a splash of color. Multiple USB ports keep your phone, tablet, and laptop powered without clutter. With its sleek design and clever features, it's like having a personal assistant right next to your bed. Take your movie nights to the next level with this luxurious theater recliner. Plush Napa leather and cool gel memory foam keep you comfy while supporting your back perfectly. Power adjustable headrest, lumbar support, and recline let you find your perfect position every time. Built-in USB-C and USB-A ports keep your devices charged, and RGB LED lights set the mood just right. With cup holders, storage, and sleek black chrome accents, it's comfort and style rolled into one. Step into a full-body spa without leaving your home. This 4D massage chair scans your body and delivers lifelike massages that hit every pressure point. Airbags, foot rollers, and heat work together to ease tension in your shoulders, back, legs, and calves. Voice control and a touchscreen let you customize intensity, duration, and style effortlessly. With a space-saving design and extendable footrest, you get maximum comfort without taking over your room. Say goodbye to wrinkled, musty clothes without lifting a finger. This smart steam closet refreshes, deodorizes, and sanitizes your garments using chemical-free steam. 5 dynamic hangers gently move clothes through 6 motions, so every shirt, dress, or jacket gets perfect care. A built-in handheld steamer handles stubborn wrinkles, and the pants press keeps creases sharp. Quick cycles, gentle heat, and a plug-and-go design make it effortless to keep your wardrobe ready to wear. Step into timeless style with this vintage lounge chair. Its sleek stainless steel frame pairs beautifully with warm brown aniline leather for a look that's both classic and cozy. Designed in the 1960s, it offers comfort and elegance in equal measure. Perfect for relaxing with a book or adding a design statement to your living room. Every piece is unique, showing subtle signs of use that add character and history to your space. Imagine your bedroom disappearing at the touch of a button. This smart studio does just that with its Cloud Bed Sofa edition, turning your sleep space into a living room in 30 seconds. The pocket closet hides a full walk-in behind a media console, bookshelf, and desk, making storage feel magical. With a fold-down desk and sleek design, working from home never looks cluttered or stressful. You get all the comfort and space you need without compromising style or function. Looking for a table that's both stylish and functional? This modern marble coffee table brings a sleek, high-gloss white surface and natural marble veins to your living space. Sturdy construction makes it perfect for coffee, snacks, or even as a quick workspace. Its compact size fits anywhere, from living rooms to bedrooms, without crowding your space. Easy to assemble, it's ready to elevate your home in minutes. Every table is a little unique, thanks to the natural marble pattern. Tired of sitting all day and feeling sore? This smart ergonomic chair goes beyond ordinary comfort. It tracks your spine automatically, giving your lower back exactly the support it needs. Built-in massage and heat therapy melt tension while you work or play. Adjustable in every direction, it fits your body perfectly, and the ventilated seat keeps you cool even during long hours. You'll wonder how you ever sat without it. Need a table that does double duty? This clever piece flips from a shelf into a full dining table in seconds. Use it as a cozy dining spot for 4, or transform it back into a 5-tier shelf to keep your kitchen or living space organized. The smooth surface is easy to clean, and the sturdy metal frame keeps everything stable. Quick assembly means you'll be enjoying your new table in minutes. No hassle required. Turn storage into a statement piece with this circular revolving cabinet. The smooth leather door spins effortlessly, giving you access to shelves and drawers without moving around. Inside, warm LED lighting highlights everything neatly, while the luxurious wood frame and optional leather cushions add style and comfort. The mirrored or wooden back panels make it feel open and elegant from every angle. Perfect for living rooms, offices, or entryways, it blends function with eye-catching design. Tired of cabinet doors getting in your way while you work? These smart bifold and pocket cabinet doors open smoothly and tuck neatly to the side, giving you full access without the hassle. You can reach everything bisuhulat without dodging swinging doors. Perfect for hiding coffee stations, appliances, or daily clutter in seconds. When you're done, Just close them up and your space looks clean, organized, and effortless again. Need a workspace but don't have the room for one? This wall-mounted folding desk gives you a full setup without taking over your space. Flip it open and you've got a sturdy surface ready for work, writing, or quick tasks. Close it up and it sits flat against the wall, keeping things clean and minimal. Built-in pockets and clips keep your papers organized, so everything you need stays right within reach. Your bedroom just got a futuristic upgrade. This floating bed frame creates the illusion that your bed is hovering above the ground, giving your space a clean, modern vibe. Built-in LED lights let you set the mood for relaxing or winding down at night. A Vstroene charging station keeps your devices powered without messy cables. With a strong metal frame and easy setup, you get style, support, and convenience all in one. A chair by day, a bed by night. Could it get any smarter? This convertible sofa transforms into a comfortable bed with a single smooth motion, saving you time and space. Its curved design supports your body naturally, helping you relax whether you're sitting or lying down. The minimalist build keeps your room looking clean and uncluttered. Perfect for guests or small spaces, it gives you comfort without taking over your room. Dinner for two or a full house? You don't have to choose. This extendable dining set transforms from a compact round table into a spacious setup that seats a crowd in seconds. The smooth expansion design lets you add space whenever you need it, without the hassle. Solid wood construction keeps it sturdy and stylish for everyday use. With matching chairs included, you get a flexible dining setup that adapts perfectly to your space. Sitting all day or standing non-stop doesn't have to be your only options. This smart adjustable desk lets you switch between sitting and standing in seconds, keeping your energy up and your body moving. With a powerful lift system, it handles heavy setups smoothly while staying stable and quiet. Built-in anti-collision tech stops movement if something's in the way, protecting your space. You can even control it from your phone, making your workspace feel modern, flexible, and completely yours. Your living room just leveled up in a big way. This power reclining sectional turns everyday lounging into a full entertainment experience. With adjustable headrests and smooth reclining seats, you can find your perfect position in seconds. Built-in storage arms, cup holders, and hidden charging ports keep everything you need within reach. Add in soft LED lighting and a wireless charging spot, and you've got a couch that feels more like your personal home theater. What if one chair could match your mood all day long? This multi-position chair lets you shift from focused work to full relaxation in seconds. Lean forward, and it supports you like a kneeling chair, helping your posture stay upright and engaged. Push back and you glide into a reclined position with your legs elevated, boosting circulation and easing pressure on your body. It even gently rocks with your breathing, while the adjustable headrest keeps you perfectly supported. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.